Hello, we are in the series of custom modules developments inside the Perfex CRM, and in this tutorial we are gonna to learn about how to create a database table inside a custom module. So let's start it. So this is our root file of the our custom module, which named underscore module. So this is the function, built-in function, which is triggered on the activation of the module. So we can pass two parameters to that function. So first of is the name of the module, and the second one is the function name. So I just created that function, and here's we have uh, call the install.php. So you can create any of the file with any name. So I just created the install.php. So there I have written one of the tables code. So this is the code how we can create a table inside the Perfect CRM in database, and this is how later on if we need to alter the table, so we can add the or delete or customize the columns later as well. So first we try with the table query. So this is how we can create a database table inside the module. So let's try it. So first I try to search in the database. So there's no template tables, right? So if I go there, modules, and there is the module. So I just try to reactivate it. So once we will activate the module, so that function will be called, and all of the code inside the install.php will be executed. So I just deactivate it and again activate it. So the database table should be there. So just refresh and let's see if the table is there. Yes, the table is there now. So after the creating the tables, later on you found you need another column, or you need to change the data type of the column, or anything, you can play with the SQL later as well. So if I put there the condition like this one, so this is how we can check if some of the column already exist in the database with that specific column or not. So there's the query how we can add a new column. So if we reactivate the module again, so because this table was already created, so that condition will be false and it will comes to there, and that condition will be true and the new column will be created. So if I go there and I just deactivate and reactivate it again, and yes, and there should be the results. Yes, so this is the new column we have just added. So this is how we can create the custom tables inside the custom module of the Perfect CRM in database. Stay tuned for updates.